We commence in normal hold, gentleman facing diag wall, lady backing. We commence with a whisk, which is forward to the side and cross behind. 1, 2, 3. Lady is now going to wing 3 steps round the gentleman, passing onto his left side. The gentleman cuts forward right foot and closes left to right over 2 counts. 1, 2, 3. From here, we're going to check, replace and step to the side, coming onto the other side of the lady, and check, replace to the side. We now hover, forward, replace, back. We're going to move backwards into a lock step. Gent left foot, lady right foot forward outside partner, 1 step and step, cross step. 1 step, cross step. You'll notice that the gentleman crossed in front and the lady crossed behind. We're now going to do an open impetus turn, where the gentleman does a heel turn. He steps back on the left and closes right, and then side to the left into promenade. Lady on her right foot steps around the boy and then steps aside with left and into promenade with her right. 1, 2, 3. We're now going to do a hover turn, forward to the side and replace, turning lady in to face us. 1, 2, 3. Gentleman now steps back side close, lady forward side close to face diag wall at the end and face partner. 1, 2, 3. From here, we do a same foot lunge, which means that both the lady and the gentleman are going to lunge on the right foot. Gentleman right foot to the side, lady right foot back. Lunge, recover and close together. Gentleman closes without weight. Because we're now going to do a delightful little movement called a hairpin run, where we're going to curve round the lady, counting 1, 2 and 3, to face diag to the wall. 1, 2 and 3. Into a natural hesitation. Forward side close and back to the side, and we now face diag to the centre. We're going to do 1 to 3 of a reverse turn to back the line of dance. 1, 2, 3. Our next little movement is called a corte, where the boy steps back, in fact just changes places with the lady. Lady forward side close, 1, 2, 3. Our next movement is an outside spin. The boy will step back on the left foot a small step, the lady will step forward with the right foot and we spin round each other for 3. 1, 2, 3. Finishing with a forward side close to our commencing position, forward side close. So we'll just go right through it now just once, giving you the figures. And whisk, 2, 3, wing, 2, 3. Check, replace to the side, hover into a lock. 1, 2 and 3, open impetus, a hover, turning the lady and back side, same foot lunge. Here's the hairpin run into the natural hesitation. Reverse. Here's your corte, your outside spin and a closed chain.